I haven't done this in a while just because I have so many of them, but quick auto park video for you guys here today. Should take us less than a minute. Usually try to make these into shorts, but here we go. See the Lambos and the Ferrari over there? That's pretty sick. I don't know what they're doing in front of that restaurant, but yeah, really nice auto park. Just perfect. And what'd you think about that? Do you think you could have done it quicker?
No.
But would you find yourself like useful?
Yeah, definitely.
Do you like to reverse park?
Not usually.
What about like front end parking?
Yeah, that's what I usually do.
Would you like to see Tesla one day add the front end parking?
No, I mean,
As a potential way to park?
sure.
As like an option, you could pick like front back.
Sure.
You think that'd be pretty cool? Or do you think that it's nice that you can just reverse park?
Yeah, I do think it's nice that you can reverse park. It's more convenient to get out that way.
What about the parallel park? Because I know you sat in here a few times while it's done it. What did you think about it?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Would you find yourself one day using that ability?
Definitely.
Okay, so yeah, that's coming from someone who is very interested in a Tesla. So, you know, FYI, if you are, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more. And yeah, I actually have a special link in my description, and you will get $1,000 off. And I get 500, but that's up to you. You know, if you want to use the link, that's up to you. And if you use it, I will ship you something from the Tesla store. So send me a little personal message. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.